side by side, you were sleeping next to me, arm in arm, dusk till dawn, and with the curtains drawn. And we last night on these sheets. So how come when I reach out my fingers, it feels like more than distance between us? In this California king bed, we're 10,000 miles apart, and I've been California wishing on these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. So when I feel like giving up on us, you turn around and give me one last touch that made everything feel better.